Good morning, students. Students, today we will continue this chapter. So, open your book at page number 79. Let us start. Types of soil. Sandy soil contains a lot of sand. This soil is grey or yellowish brown in color. Sand cannot trap water as it runs through the spaces between its thick grains. This is why plants cannot grow on sandy soil. However, sandy soil is very useful as a building material. It is mixed with cement to make concrete. Most modern buildings and even roads are made of concrete. Sand is used to make roads and buildings. Plants cannot be grown on sandy soil and sand cannot hold water. Come to the next page. The main constituent of clayey soil is clay. It is found near or under water bodies like rivers and lakes. It is dark and sticky and remains a lot of water. However, since the fine wet clay particles leave no space for the soil to remain air, this type of soil is also not suitable for plant growth. Clayey soil is used in pottery for making earthenware. The walls of mud huts are also made of clayey soil. In India, during the festival season, idols of gods and goddesses are made with straw and clay. This soil has clay in it. It can hold water but cannot hold air, which is not good for plant growth. With this soil, a potter can make pots. Also, idols of god and goddess are made of this soil. Okay, come to the next soil. Loamy soil is a mixture of sand and clay. It can retain air as well as water with enough humus in it. This type of soil becomes an ideal garden soil. On page 23, when we learned about the food chain, we saw how dead plants and animals matter nourishes the soil. Thus, human makes the soil fertile and plants grow very well in it. So, loamy soil is very good for plant growth because it can hold air and water and it is very fertile soil. This soil is ideal for plants growth. This soil has humus in it, so it is a very fertile soil. Student, come to the page number 23. Look, the eagles dies and its flesh mixes with the soil and nourishes it. Okay, so here we have learned it that the animals die on the soil and it mixes with the soil and the soil become more fertilized. Question number 2 is your homework. Write T for true and F for false in the box alongside each statement. I have written the answers for you. Soil with a lot of gravel in it is best for growing plants. False. Humus make the soil fertile. True. Loamy soil has clay and sand in it. True. Clay is used for making concrete. False. Concrete is a mixture of sand and cement. True. Question number 3. Match column A with B. You have to match this. So I have matched it for you. Loamy is clay and sand. Sandy match with no water retained. Concrete match with cement and sand. Humus match with dead matter. Gravel match with thick and heavy particles. Clay match with no trapped air. Come to this fun time. Rearrange the letters to make words that you have learned in this chapter. Now rearrange these words, okay? Look, I have rearranged this. Gravel, Gravel. Loamy, Loamy. Soil, soil, Sand, sand. So these marked letters are for this rearrange, okay? So we have to now rearrange the ringed letters to complete the following statement. Clay can also be used to make an idol, idol, idol. So do these homeworks in your book. Hope today's topic is clear to you. See you in the next class. Bye bye, students.